Coil springs. Types, uses, and designs. This video takes an in-depth look at coil springs and their materials. You will learn more about topics such as what is a coil spring, how coil springs are made, metals used to make coil springs, types of coil springs, and much more. Chapter 1. What is a coil spring? Chapter 2. How coil springs are made. The manufacturing of coil springs. Coil spring materials. Coil spring manufacturing processes. Cold winding process. Heat treatment. Mandrel. Computer numerical control, or CNC. Hot winding, wire. Mandrel. Cooling. Stress relief. Finishing a coiled spring. Grinding. Shot peening. Set pitch and length. Applying coatings. The most common coil spring coatings and finishes include zinc coating, electroplating, powder coatings, Pre-plated wire. Plastic coating. Types of coil spring ends. Closed end. Square end. Open end. Pigtail coil spring. How to select the right coil spring. Chapter 3. What metals are used to make coil springs? Coil spring metals. High carbon steel. Music wire. Chromium vanadium steel. Chromium silicon steel. Stainless steel. Stainless steel 302. Stainless steel 316. Stainless steel 17 to 7. Silicon manganese steel. Copper-based spring alloys. Beryllium copper. Phosphorus bronze. Nickel-based spring alloys. Common nickel-based spring alloys include Inconel X 750, Inconel 600, Inconel 625, Inconel 718. Frequently asked questions. What are the main types of coil springs and their uses? How are coil springs manufactured? Which metals are commonly used to make coil springs? What finishing treatments extend the life of coil springs? How do you select the right coil spring for an application? Are stainless steel coil springs suitable for marine or food industry use? Chapter 4. What are the different types of coil springs? Coil spring types. Volute spring. Arc coil springs. Variable coil springs. Torsion coil springs. Compression springs. Extension springs. Chapter 5. What are the uses of coil springs? Coil spring uses. Automobile uses. Uses indoors. Springs in construction. Firearms uses. Residential use. Springs in pens. Conclusion. Please visit www.iqsdirectory.com to find the right coil spring manufacturer for your needs.